Have you tried everything to get rid of that ugly, yellowish, stubborn nail that insists on appearing on your feet? Don't worry. Today, I'm going to teach you a homemade recipe that will surprise you with its effectiveness and simplicity. This powerful mixture is capable of fighting nail fungus forever. And the best part, you can make it now, at home, with simple and affordable ingredients. Shall we? Hello, my name is Mia, a nail fungus specialist. Welcome to the Nails Fungus Removal Tips channel. Subscribe to the channel and leave a like if you like this type of content. Let's start by introducing the heroes of this battle against fungus. Each of them plays an important role in eliminating this infection once and for all. First, we have 2 aspirins. Yes, aspirin. They are rich in acetylsalicylic acid, which not only relieves pain, but also acts as a gentle exfoliant, helping to remove the layers of skin and nails infected by the fungus. Secondly, we have hydrogen peroxide volume 20. It is one of the best disinfectants we can use, with a powerful antimicrobial action, capable of eliminating bacteria, fungi and germs on the surface of the nail. Now for 70%, alcohol. Known for its effectiveness in disinfection, it penetrates the surface of the nail and helps kill the fungus deep down, speeding up the healing process. And finally, clove oil is one of the most interesting ingredients in this mixture. It contains eugenol, a compound that has antifungal and anti-inflammatory properties, helping to treat the infection and relieve pain and swelling. Now, on to the preparation. It's very simple. In a clean container, add 30 milliliters of hydrogen peroxide volume 20. Then mix in 20 milliliters of 70% alcohol. Now add the 15 drops of clove oil and finally, grind the 2 aspirins into a fine powder and mix everything together. The mixture should be homogeneous, with a liquid and slightly opaque texture. To apply it, you'll need a cotton swab. Dip it in the mixture and apply it directly to the affected nail. Make sure that the mixture penetrates well into the corners and under the nail. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. Repeat this process twice a day, morning and evening. You'll notice that in a few weeks, 8 or 10 weeks, the yellowing begins to improve and the fungus is gradually eliminated. Let's remember why this mixture is powerful and why it works. The hydrogen peroxide disinfects, the alcohol eliminates the fungus, the clove oil relieves pain and acts as a natural antifungal, and the aspirin gently exfoliates and deflates the nail, allowing the fungus to be removed more easily. However, if you need a quick and proven solution because you can no longer stand the itchy, painful nails with a terrible smell, there is a solution that cures the nail completely in a few days. Currently, the most promising treatment combines the power of a new compound that acts by destroying the nucleus and DNA of fungi, so that the fungi don't replicate and then die. This new compound is explained in a recording that is still public for the time being, so to avoid copyright problems when talking about or exposing this new compound that has been patented, I'll leave the link here in the description so you can watch it. But without going into too much detail, many people who appear on the recording report that they have cured their nails of fungus in a matter of days. It's something really innovative and functional, capable of restoring clean, clear nails in record time. So, did you like the recipe? Now you know how to get rid of nail fungus once and for all in a simple and natural way. Don't forget to leave your like, subscribe to the channel and activate the bell for more tips like this. Let us know in the comments if you've tried it or have another homemade recipe to share. Thanks for your attention and see you in the next video.